What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon back from Crayton Tv, and today I'm bringing you back something that I finally got myself one, and it's a it's heavy. PlayStation 4. Boom, 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 boom. Woo! 1 terabyte. I know I'm late, but I finally got myself one. PlayStation 4. Now I have a PlayStation 3, and I have a PlayStation 2. I still wish I had my PlayStation 1, but long story with that. Nieces and nephews, when they was younger, they broke it. So, pissed me off. Love that PlayStation 1. But, hey, it's an unboxing video of the PlayStation 4 1 terabyte. I was about to get the Pro, but the only reason why I didn't get the Pro, it was $100 more. This was $300 for the 1 terabyte, and the PlayStation 4. PlayStation 4 does PlayStation 4.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The PlayStation Pro 1 terabyte was $400, but only reason why I didn't get that one is because I don't have a 4K TV, so that defeats the purpose. And a lot of the games are not 4K, so on the majority of them. But let's get into this unboxing and see what we got. Tape on here. Maybe I should have the tape all around, but I ain't got to edit this out. PlayStation 4. Here it is, the back. So I'm about to be on that PlayStation 4 game. The side, 1 terabyte, you know. PlayStation 4, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3. So leave it down in the comment section below. Some good games that you guys want me to try, and I'll definitely go pick those up. My first games that I'm really gonna pick up is the Uncharted series 1 through 4. Uncharted 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna pick that up. I'm gonna get the bundle. I'm gonna see if Amazon got it, or I'm gonna go check GameStop. Here it is. You know how you get a box in a box. Then I'm gonna go get Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm gonna get Grand Theft Auto 5, and then probably Madden 2K, MLB The Show, that baseball, you know, maybe some hockey, and then. Damn, shit's heavy. Here's the system. Set that off to the side. So we got in the box. We got your quick start guide. Cover that. We got where it says the best place to play. Start your free trial. Free trial, something. You know, here you go. A little specs, a little booklet. Start your free trial today. We'll look at that later, but PlayStation Plus. So make sure you leave it down in the comment section below. What games you guys want me to play? What games out there are good? I ain't played the system in so long. So who knows what's out there? Man. Come on, stupid. Open it from over here. My ass ain't played the game in so long, so but I am gonna be getting that. Here's the DualShock controller. Okay. PlayStation 4, I see you. Give you some headphones. The charger for the controller. HDMI cable. And power outlet. That's it. I guess so. That's all that's in the box. Make sure you guys do help me out with that. Comment down below. Please, please comment down below games you want me to try. I haven't about to play the system in so long. I have PlayStation 3, and the only games that I have is Need for Speed Most Wanted, Grand Theft Auto 5, and Madden 2013. So, and I beat all of them. So I haven't really been playing games. And then PlayStation 2 got like, I don't know. So, but here's the PlayStation 4 console. I like it though. Here's the bottom. You know, you got like the controller buttons that holds it up. Here's the front. Power button and everything else. And then the back. So now I just gotta figure out a place to put it. But hey, if you like this video and create your mind up. Alright, cool. But if you like this video, and I'm excited now, I finally got a PlayStation 4 after the years. Sorry, I haven't played games so long, so I decided to go back and get a PlayStation. But now I finally got one. So hey, if you like this video, let's get this video to about 20 likes. 20 likes for this video for me getting a PlayStation. And if you rock with a PlayStation, give it 20 likes. And comment down your favorite system in the, also in the comment section below. What do you like? PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, shit. Whatever systems is out there, whatever you like, comment that down in the comment section below. I always been a Sony guy, PlayStation, so Sony, holla at your boy. Man, I missed the PlayStation 1, but I do got the 2, 3, and now I have a 4. Can't wait for that 5, but I'm going to be playing this a lot. I'm going to give me some games, so make sure you guys leave it in the comment section below what games you guys want me to try out, and I will try them out. Maybe a gaming channel one day, but comment down below if you think I should start a gaming channel also. So in the meantime, finally got my PlayStation 4. I'm happy. This is your boy Brandon from Crayton TV. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm bringing you back more great content. But in the meantime, this is your boy Brandon from Crayton TV, and I'm signing out of here.